So hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'll be discussing with you guys how you can get started with pull requests in an open source project, and more particularly we'll be discussing about smart home app project, which is an open source project, and app more particularly if you'll say made using Flutter framework. And if you are a Flutter beginner or intermediate, you can create your own issues and pull requests and then can contribute to this project easily. So let's get started this to the official repository of that. So this is the official repository of app. Whenever you land on a new project, make sure you start the repo, because it is some effort some contributors have put into this to make it look good. So while creating a pull request, there are some steps you need to follow. So before creating the pull request or committing to any project, make sure where your commits will go. If you are committing a new screen or you are making a new screen, then make sure it will be present inside the screens directly, and it will follow the same directory structure as other screen. Like home screen are here. So there is a dedicated home screen, and inside components I have a body, and all the rest of widgets will reside in here. Try to divide the components as maximum as possible so that it is easy for contributors and project admins to review your pull requests. So these are the some things you have to keep in mind before contributing. And so let's get started how you will create a new pull request. So there are no changes. Just hold on a second. I'll create a pull request by creating a new branch. Hopefully I'll be able to do that. So let me create a new branch, then I'll be able to create a pull request. So let me show you through the existing pull request which I have made. So this is a dummy pull request. So how you guys will be dealing with it? So here at the top you have to mention the issue number. Each pull request is assigned with an issue which you have created earlier, like hashtag 16, the splash screen issue which I had created. I have to mention some changes, which is for sure if you leave this space empty, then mentor won't accept your pull request. So you have to mention these changes, you won't leave them empty, and you have to mention the additional information. And then most of guys get stuck over here in the checklist. So don't worry if you don't know how to check this checklist. Just make sure, if you want to check them from here, just make sure there is no space inside and you type X. Make sure there is no space inside, and after the box and before the box there is one simple space. So following these guidelines, and at the end you have to uh, paste some screenshots with title. So you need to follow these steps while creating a pull request. So let's see the preview. Here is a related issue. Here are the proposed changing, adding a button and changing the widget positioning. And hence let's see here, I have pasted some outputs and you can see how it looks like currently. I'll update the comment, and here you can check the checklist from outside as well, like this. Just wait a second. Okay, it's updating. So yeah, you can check the checklist from outside, so it's not a big deal. Once you are familiar with this thing, then you can see it. So mentor will click on the commit, and he or she will review your pull request. He'll approve or request some changes, like please add comments in your code. So he'll or she'll leave some comments or approve your pull request through commits. Please add some comments in code files. So make sure you add some comments in the code files you contribute, because any newcomer who will be coming will be contributing to it. So I have requested some changes, and the contributor will uh, do the requested changes. Few changes you can click here to see the requested changes, and then your PR will be merged. So your PR will be assigned some labels based on the type of difficulty, level 1, level 2 or level 3. If it is a most difficult one, it will be given level 3, and level 3 have more points in GSOC than level 2, and similarly for level 1. And then it will be given GSOC 2022 level and design and develop if it is a new screen or some logic written inside or enhancement. So depending on the type of your issue will be assigned some labels, and your pull request will be merged. Then it will be reviewed by some of the mentors in subsequent uh, steps, like here these are two mentors will review your pull requests, and then it will be get merged by admin also. So this was the steps you will be following while creating a pull request. So I hope you guys learned something over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.